to do a little bit different kind of video. So a month ago, or 2 months ago, or a month ago, I said that I was going to start doing full-on review videos of like TV shows and movies. And I haven't done one yet, so I thought today I would do one. And it's going to focus on a show, one of my favorite shows, that only lasted for 4 seasons. Well, excuse me, 3 seasons. And it was a Disney show called Dog the Block. And I'll throw an image right here. It's one of my favorite shows. It starred some pretty cool actors. Stan the dog. The dog who played Stan in the show was really cool. Stan's puppies, even though Stan's puppies only lasted half of one season of the last season, which was season 3. But the show was pretty good. All in all, it was one of my favorite Disney shows. I wish it ran more longer, but too bad it didn't. And and the show, it started, like I said, it started with pretty cool actors. I'll put photos in the corner of the actors. Two of the main ones are G. Cornelius, who played Avery on the show, and Francesca Capaldi, who played Chloe on the show. And the actor who played Tyler, I don't know exactly, I forgot his actor name, but I'll put it here in the corner so you guys will see it and stuff. But, yeah, but I thought I would to throw in the promo and trailer for the show. So yeah, I'm gonna roll that right now to you guys, and I'll see you guys after the promo or trailer. But yeah, enjoy.
Kids, I have a surprise for you. His name is Stan. He's a rescue from the shelter.
Coming soon to Disney Channel.
Thank you, I've always wanted a dog.
There's just one little thing.
Give me this stinking food! I'm drooling a pool over here!
Did he just talk?
No. I mean, Wolf?
Meet a dog.
We just can't let Mom and Dad find out. I couldn't bear to lose you, buddy.
This is awesome!
Who can blog.
I'm finally part of a family.
Stan can talk. No, he can't. Okay.
Dog with a blog. Disney Channel's all-new comedy premieres Friday, October 12th at 9:40 Central on Disney Channel.
Hope you guys enjoyed that little promo and trailer from Doc the Blog. Yeah, it's nothing too much, but it was just a promo from the show before the show came out on Disney Channel. I thought I would throw that in here to show you guys, and but yeah, and stuff. But yeah, Dog the Blog, a pretty good show. Like I said, it stars some pretty good actors, and And like I said, I will post some pictures in the corner. Probably in the beginning and the end of this video. Well, probably from right now, you're probably seeing them. But, yeah. But anyways, I think that's gonna wrap up my review video, for Dog the Blog. I know it's not really much of a review, but it's something I thought I would throw out there and get out to you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little review video. Yeah, and stuff, but if you guys want to see more stuff like this, or want to see more stuff like what I just did, let me know in the comments, and double like on this video. Mostly drop a like on this video if you guys want to see more of this, and also if you guys like Dog the Blog. And yeah, the next one I might do is from Crash and Bernstein, or maybe from Lab Rats. I don't know. I'm about to find out in the next video. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and catch you guys in the next one.